Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Glass Whiteboards is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home or office, offering a sleek, modern alternative to traditional whiteboards that not only functions flawlessly for brainstorming and note-taking but also doubles as a sophisticated decorative element, transforming any wall into a dynamic canvas for ideas and organization that is both practical and aesthetically pleasing, making it an indispensable tool for productivity and creativity. In today's fast-paced world, Number 5. Navaris Magnetic Dry Erase Board, White Marble. Keep your life organized with this stylish magnetic memo board. It's writable and erasable, perfect for jotting down notes, reminders, or planning your next big project. Add a touch of elegance to your home with this decorative wall panel. Use it as a display board or an organizational list to track your tasks and to-dos. This set includes everything you need to get started. You'll receive the magnetic whiteboard, 5 magnets, and a marker with a convenient magnetic cap. Messages are simple to write with the included marker. When you're done, just wipe it clean with a damp cloth or sponge. To keep it in great condition, please use a cloth or sponge dampened with plain water for cleaning. Avoid using detergents, as they may affect its magnetic properties. What we like. If you're looking for a whiteboard that doubles as stylish decor, this is the one. Its decorative design adds a touch of personality to your space. If you appreciate both function and aesthetics, and need a convenient way to jot down notes or display photos, you should consider this option. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, providing a smooth writing surface. The sleek, modern design complements any office decor. Installation was straightforward with the included mounting hardware. Number 4. Quartet Infinity Black Glass Whiteboard 72x48. Elevate your space with this stunning infinity glass whiteboard. Its sophisticated and modern design will be a unique focal point in your office, school, or home. Enjoy a perfectly clean surface every time you write, erase, and rewrite. This board is stain and ghost resistant, ensuring your message is always clear and streak-free. Breathe easier knowing this whiteboard meets strict GreenGuard Gold standards for low emissions. It contributes to better indoor air quality in any environment. Built for heavy use, its durable tempered glass resists scratches and dents. It's designed for long-term performance and comes with a 15-year limited warranty. Easily display important papers and documents with the included high-powered magnets. Keep your notes and reminders securely in place. Hanging this board is a breeze thanks to its pass-through mounting system. You can accurately and evenly mount it either vertically or horizontally to perfectly fit your space. What we like. For those who need a substantial writing surface and prioritize a clean, healthy environment, this board is an excellent choice. Its large size is perfect for busy offices or classrooms, and the GreenGuard Gold certification ensures better indoor air quality. If you need a durable, ghost-resistant board for heavy use in sensitive environments, you should consider this. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, giving it a premium feel. The magnetic feature works well, allowing me to attach notes and documents easily. It's very easy to clean, leaving no ghosting or residue after erasing. Number 3. Clear Magnetic Acrylic Fridge Calendar. Introducing our clear magnetic acrylic calendar, designed to keep your life organized. It's perfect for busy households, helping you manage schedules with ease. This versatile board easily attaches to any magnetic surface. For non-magnetic areas like glass or wood, we've included convenient hanging hardware. Enjoy a pristine writing surface every time. Its scratch and stain-resistant acrylic is easy to clean, leaving no ghosting, and it's completely reusable for an eco-friendly solution. Never miss a birthday, appointment, or holiday again. This planning board is ideal for tracking all your important events and teaching valuable organizational skills. More than just a planner, it's a stylish addition to any space. Use it in your kitchen, office, or classroom to manage tasks, create lists, and brighten your environment. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? This planning board is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves to stay organized, offering endless possibilities for use. What we like. If you need a dedicated planning tool for your home or office, this magnetic acrylic calendar set is ideal. It's perfect for tracking monthly events, weekly chores, or appointments. If you want to teach organizational skills to kids or simply keep your family's schedule in order, you should consider this. What people say. The Glass Whiteboard is a great addition to my office, providing a sleek and modern look. I love how easy it is to clean the glass surface, markers wipe off without any residue. The magnetic feature is a game changer, allowing me to attach notes and documents directly to the board. Number 2. MAXTEK Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Whiteboard 48x32. Introducing a sleek, frameless glass whiteboard that seamlessly blends with any modern decor. Its expansive writing surface offers ample space for your ideas, making it a stylish addition to your home, office, or classroom. Experience effortless writing and erasing with our ultra-dense tempered glass surface. It's engineered to resist stains and ghosting, ensuring a clean slate with every swipe. This durable finish is perfect for frequent use without leaving any marks. Crafted from commercial-grade tempered glass, this whiteboard is 4 times more impact-resistant than standard steel boards. Its scratch-proof and robust design guarantees superior quality and outstanding durability for years to come. Setting up is a breeze with our included positioning template for precise drilling. You can mount it vertically or horizontally to perfectly suit your space and needs. Enjoy a generous area for planning, organizing, and recording your thoughts. This board features a strong magnetic surface, ideal for attaching notes and reminders. It comes complete with 5 strong neodymium magnets, 3 markers, a magnetic eraser, and a marker tray, providing everything you need for an organized workspace. We ensure your board arrives in perfect condition with our reinforced packaging, featuring corner protectors and extra foam padding. If any issues arise, we're here to help with a replacement within 24 hours. What we like. This frameless glass whiteboard offers a sleek, modern look that seamlessly integrates into any contemporary space. Its ultra-dense tempered glass ensures a zero-residue writing surface that's easy to clean. If you need a durable, large writing area for frequent use and appreciate a minimalist aesthetic, you should consider this. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, providing a smooth writing surface. The mounting hardware is included and easy to install, making setup a breeze. The magnetic feature works well, allowing for easy attachment of notes and documents. Number 1. Fab Glass and Mirror Magnetic Glass Dry Erase Board 96x48. Experience a silky smooth writing surface engineered from premium tempered glass. It resists ghosting, staining, and scratching, wiping completely clean with minimal effort for a pristine look. This board features a fully magnetic surface compatible with rare earth magnets. Securely pin notes, documents, and reminders directly to the surface without the need for pushpins or tape. The sleek, borderless design creates a sophisticated floating effect on any wall. It elevates the aesthetic of any office, meeting room, or home workspace. Designed for effortless DIY installation, it mounts securely in either a vertical or horizontal orientation. This suits your space and workflow perfectly. Everything you need is included right out of the box. Get started immediately with the included marker, tray, eraser, magnets, and mounting hardware. What we like. For those who require a massive writing surface and a sophisticated look, this extra-large frameless glass board is the ultimate solution. The floating design adds a premium touch to any professional setting. If you need a versatile board for a large conference room, classroom, or office and want a complete, easy-to-install kit, you should consider this. What people say. The glass is thick and sturdy, providing a smooth writing surface that erases cleanly. The minimalist design with hidden mounting hardware looks very sleek and modern on the wall. It's magnetic, which is a great feature for attaching notes and documents without extra clips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.